Okay, everybody, so everybody wants to know about our Ninjacator indicator because it is super hot. It is a super hot product that we have as an exclusive when you join our Ninja team. Now, in our Ninja team, we are using the very simple three-step strategy, which is the BYOB strategy. So we look for three basic things. We look for stochastic, we look for SAR flips, we look for flat bottom candles, and we use the Heikin-Ashi candles. Now, rather than sit in front of your charts all the time, we can literally put the Ninjacator onto our trading view chart and it will give us one of these little flags to tell us when to buy and when to sell. So people are asking me, does this work on gold? So here is gold on the 15-minute, okay? So you can see there that my Ninjacator is on there, okay? So let's look at this one, shall we? Right, the Ninjacator gave us an alert here. The stochastic was in the extreme. The PSAR flipped and we had a flat bottom candle and we got our buy signal on here. So let me just show you how many pips this Ninjacator has just given us. So we drag our tool up here. 126 pips on the 15-minute chart, guys, on gold. Thank you, Ninjacator. And people say, oh, well, I don't want to be sitting in front of my charts waiting for these little flags to go off. You don't have to. Look, Ninjacator. Let me just open this up. Ninjacator. Add an alert on the Ninjacator. There we go. You can literally add an alert for the Ninjacator to go off when one of these things triggers, okay? So you could be out and about, you could literally be doing whatever you're doing. You set your alert for when you get one of these Ninjacator flips to sound off, and then literally you can get into that trade. So this is one of the hottest things around at the moment, and if you would like to get access to this Ninjacator, you simply have to join IM Academy within the Ninja team, and it's all yours for free. How awesome is that? This thing is worth thousands because of the results that we are getting with it. So if you would like access to this, please look around this video for a link to come and check us out. We also offer a 7-day free trial of our group so that you can see this thing in action. So contact me today, don't delay, because you're missing pips. As long as you're not doing this, you're missing pips. And this is the Ninjacator, and it is seriously good. Okay, so contact me today. Thank you.